This is day 5. Oh my goodness, the wind. It's hurting my legs. The sand is hitting my legs. Oh my goodness. This is day 5 of the 30-day Aussie English Challenge. I would like you to speak for 30 seconds about your day. It could be about your day today, or it could be about what you did yesterday. I'm going to give you an example of what you could say to talk about your day. This is something you might say in the late afternoon, early evening. You can use this to talk about your day or come up with your own ideas for what you would like to say about your day. After this, I have a 30-second timer for you. Today was pretty full on. Things got really hectic just before lunchtime. The Arvo got busy too. I'm knackered now, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, I'm going to have a quiet one tonight.